What's the meaning of attraction? Attraction. Attraction.
Attraction. Attraction. Attraction is a term used to describe the pull or magnetism that one thing or person has towards another. It can refer to physical attraction, which is based on appearance, body language, and other nonverbal cues. It can also refer to emotional attraction, which is based on shared values, interests, and experiences. Ultimately, attraction leads to a desire for closeness or intimacy with the object of attraction. This can manifest in various ways, including romantic relationships, friendships, and even professional collaborations.